How to use A/B testing to improve marketing campaigns. A/B testing is a method used in the marketing world where we compare two versions of a campaign element, like an email or ad, to see which one performs better. It's a great way to test new ideas and find out what resonates most with your audience. There are countless things you can test. For instance, you might compare different call to actions in an ad or a website, try out various video messages, test different images in your ad campaign, or even tweak post copy in a social media campaign. To get started, create two versions of your test, version A and version B, with a single change. Then show these versions to different segments of your audience. For example, you might send out two versions of an email with different subject lines to see which one gets more opens. After running your test, analyze the results. Look at metrics like click-through rates, engagement, or conversions to see which version performed better. This will help you understand what your audience prefers and allow you to make informed decisions. A/B testing is all about learning and improving. By testing different elements and analyzing the outcomes, you can refine your campaigns and drive better results.